Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Looking for an effortless way to cook healthy fish? Baking tilapia in the oven is truly a game changer. It's incredibly simple, creating delicious results with very little mess. This method helps the fish stay moist and tender, making it a fantastic option for any meal you're planning. First things first, gently pat your tilapia fillets really dry. This helps them cook beautifully and avoid steaming. Next, give each fillet a light brush with a little olive oil or some melted butter. Then, sprinkle generously with your favorite seasonings, like salt, pepper, and a touch of garlic powder. A little paprika adds a nice color too. Now, let's get those ovens ready. You'll want to preheat your oven to a good 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange your seasoned tilapia fillets on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, giving them a little room. Bake them for roughly 12 to 15 minutes. Thicker fillets might need a minute or two more, while thinner ones will cook a bit faster. How do you know when your tilapia is perfectly done? Simply check if it flakes apart easily with a fork. It should look opaque all the way through, without any translucent areas. For food safety, the internal temperature should reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, serve your delicious tilapia right away, perhaps with a squeeze of fresh lemon and some lovely steamed vegetables. For even more flavor, try marinating your tilapia before baking, even for just 30 minutes. You can also add a few sprigs of fresh dill or parsley to the baking sheet for a wonderful aroma. Don't be afraid to experiment with different spice blends. Lemon herb or a little Cajun seasoning can really change things up. Baking tilapia is so versatile, offering a healthy and quick meal any night.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.